In this Payrib review, I'm going to be showing you guys if you can really make money watching videos on your phone and laptop. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this video as I'm going to show you some of the shady stuff that I have seen about Payrib. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software, and courses. If you want to get my #1 recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. You will also get a free affiliate marketing guide, which I'm going to be sending in your email right away. So let's jump into the video. So Payrib is basically a GPT style website, which means you can get paid to do certain tasks, surveys, offers, watch videos, and all that stuff. But in this website called Payrib, you're going to be getting paid for every videos that you watch. So that really sounds too good to be true. But GPT style website don't really pay that much. And I have seen some shady stuff in Payrib. I'm going to be discussing all of that now. So the thing is that if you look at the website, it really doesn't look professional. If you look all of this, it really doesn't look a professionally made website, because a website like this can be made within a few minutes, because I don't think they have made any significant effort to make this website. If you look here, you can see some grammatical errors. If you just read it, you'll understand. Explore at that interest. You begin your journey with. So the English is not that great, and there is something really messy about this website. I'm going to discuss that soon. First of all, I didn't really like the interface, and also they haven't given the address in the bottom of the footer, which is also a red flag. I really don't think it's the way to make you understand this a little more. Let me show you by logging into their dashboard. So guys, this is the dashboard, and as I soon got into the dashboard, I already got like $7 worth of earnings, which sounds really too good to be true, because I haven't really made $7. This is not any bonus money or anything like that. They have just paid me $7 out of nowhere. And the really scammy part about this is that you're not going to be making 44 cents by just watching a 32-second video. That just sounds too good to be true, because 32 seconds, 44 USD for 32 seconds is like a lot of money. Usually GPT style like Payrib, they usually pay for watching videos about 1 cent. I mean 1/10 of a cent. So you have to watch 10 videos to actually make 1 cent. So websites like that only pay that much, and for this website over here, they're claiming that they're going to give you 44 USD for 32 seconds, which is too good to be true. I really don't think. I have just pressed into it. So it's not really an advertisement. They just show you some website, and I have to wait this long. And I'll go back to my dashboard and I can claim my money. So that's how it works. So I have to look at this website for let's say they said 32 seconds, and they will redirect back to the dashboard, and it said it's complete. So let's see what happens. So I have earned 44 cents. The thing is, guys, always remember, guys, making money is not that easy. Even I have recommended you my favorite strategy. It obviously requires work. You need to spend at least 2 to 3 hours on my platform if you're really looking to make money. But unfortunately, these offers, they give you 6 seconds and you're going to be getting 53 USD. It's not practical. Let me tell you where the scam ends. So if you go to payment options, you will be over here, and the threshold is very high. So if you look, bank transfer is $100 to $1,000, Venmo $100 to $1,000. So the minimum threshold is over $100. So $100 is like a lot of money. So GPT style websites like Payrib, their threshold is going to be like $1 $2, maybe $5, or even $10, because even to reach $1 to $10, it's going to take a lot of time. But these guys are paying really high, so which is why they might have given you the $100 threshold. But still, if you actually think about it, you're not going to be getting the payment. I'm going to be showing you this in a third-party website where they review. So let's go there and see just what people say about Payrib. So any website that has got like 4-star reviews is actually a good site. So Payrib has only got like 2.1 star review and only 100 views, which is not that much. So let's see all the 1-star, because 5 stars can be always manipulated. So people are saying, after many months of working on the site, I have made $160, including $107.131 from the advertiser section. The same message says that I cannot withdraw because I have not complete 90. Don't waste your time. It is a scam website. So we have another comment. Payrib is a scam. I got up to $115 but could not withdraw it. I followed all process, 90 advertisement ads and 25 referrals. I reached the threshold but I could not withdraw. Scam. After many months of working on the site, I have $106, including $90.131 from the advertiser section. The same message says that I cannot withdraw because I have not complete 90. So guys, from the last 3 comments, you can see that there is always a pattern that people are not able to actually withdraw their money, because this website over here is a total scam. And if you go here, you're going to get scammed very fast, because all this $100 to $1,000, when the time comes when you have to actually withdraw the money, you won't be able to actually withdraw it, and you will end up wasting your time. So I highly recommend you guys not going with this website, because I don't think it's the best way to make money online, and I don't think this is anywhere true to be legit. So that's basically it for this video of Payrib. So if you want to now check out my recommended strategy, which is basically a free bonus guide, it's actually free. You can click the first link in the description, and I also have my recommended strategy. So it's called Affiliate Takeover. So if you want this, you can get it, but you will get my free bonus guide if you click the first link. So that's basically it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.